Your skincare routine doesn't need to be complicated to be effective. The secret to glowing skin is actually just 5 simple steps that anyone can follow. Let me break it down for you. Start with cleansing. It's non-negotiable. Morning cleansing removes dead skin cells from your sleep, while evening cleansing gets rid of makeup and daily grime. Skip this, and you're basically inviting breakouts to your face party. Next, exfoliate to remove those stubborn dead skin cells. You can go physical with scrubs for dry patches, or chemical with AHAs and BHAs for breakouts and aging concerns. Daily microfoliant is perfect for gentle daily use. Third step is toning. This preps your skin to actually absorb all those expensive products you're about to apply. Think of it as priming a wall before painting. Then comes the treatment phase. This is where you target your specific concerns. Breakouts? Use a spot treatment with salicylic acid. Aging. Retinol serums work wonders without the irritation if you choose the right formula. Finally, moisturize. Yes, even if you have oily skin. In the morning, opt for something with SPF to protect against those sneaky UV rays. At night, go richer to repair while you sleep. The real game changer isn't which fancy products you use, it's consistency. The best skincare routine is the one you'll actually stick with every single day. Your skin is playing the long game, and it rewards those who show up consistently.